Neha, welcome to my channel Pooja Loves Drama. So today's video going to be little bit long because I am going to tell you about my top 9 favorite wuxia dramas. In wuxia genre belongs to martial world only, the people who belongs to earth only, and they cultivate themselves to get some powers and like to fly. You can say swordsman also, like the mysterious Lotus Casebook. That belongs to wuxia genre only. For Shenxia genre, we have god, demon, devils, like the divine realm, heavenly realm, mortal world, immortal world, and you can say like there are some type of dramas where fairies and god also cultivate their spiritual energy to become god, and they also complete some level. So that belongs to Shenxia genre. Okay, so first drama in wuxia genre is The Untamed. Yeah, I know it's not totally belong to wuxia genre because there are some elements that belongs to magic also, like so many things. It's not totally wuxia, it's shanhua genre, and like some little bit Shenxia genre as well. So but this drama is a must watch and it's really interesting. If you are watching first time any historical drama and costume dramas, then this drama is the best choice for you as well, because it's full of mystery. The storyline is really amazing. The storyline belongs to, like, there are some respected clans, and we are going to talk about two disciples of that respected clan, that is Wei Wuxian and Lan Wangji. Both have different personality. Lan Wangji is a quiet person and Wei Wuxian is a chaotic person, but accidentally they will find some hidden truth of their clans, and now they both want to protect their clans. They want to find the mystery and everything, but in the process Wei Wuxian got died. After 16 years he brought back to life for some sacrifice, like some self-sacrifice rituals, and now he wants to uncover the truth of his death and so many things happening in their clans as well. So he will meet with Lan Wangji and they will find the truth, they will find the mystery and all of the things that happened in the past and present, like everything. Their friendship is really amazing and this drama is a must watch. Our next drama is Who Rules the World. This drama is so amazing, like super worthy to watch, and it's like we are gonna see again the story of martial arts world, and there are two heroes in our martial art world, that is He Fengxi, Yang casting as He Fengxi, and Bei Fengxi, Zhao Lusi casting as Bei Fengxi. But there are some hidden truth about their identity as well. Like in martial arts world they are something different, but they are different in their world. Like he is a prince of one country and she is a princess of another country, but he don't know about her identity. That is the thing, and in the end we will find out all the truth, because they are gonna be like, he is a prince, she is a princess of different country, and they are coming to a marriage alliance. So many things will happen, and like there are some enemies for both of the countries and they will join hands to fight with them. Lots of things going to be happen. Like the storyline of this drama is really amazing. The fight scenes, the visuals, like everything is so much amazing. So our third drama is Joy of Life. This drama is really great. Like it's my most favorite wuxia drama, and I really love Fengxian character in this drama. Like there is not a single boring scene, and it's highly recommendable to watch because the storyline is on different level. It's really different. We are going to see the story about a boy Fengxian who born into an ancient era with the memories of 21st century because of his mother, because his mother came from a divine temple that is different from that mortal world. So she have so many talented things. Like she was the inventor of Overwatch department, that is, you can say, spy network of His Majesty, and the character of His Majesty is also on different levels. Sometimes you will feel like he is just a crazy person, sometimes you will feel he is just so much mysterious, he is a good person. Like there are so many things you are going to see because this drama is full of mystery, and you will find like the Fengxian is the boy of His Majesty also, like son of His Majesty. He is also a prince, but no one knows about this. He also don't know about this. Who is he? He just know his mother is Ye Chengmei, and he also has some inner energy that is from the different world that is called Qi, and he also has some memories from the different era as well. When he came to the capital, like so many things will happen with him, like so many people wants to assassinate him, and they don't know he is the son of His Majesty. But His Majesty, like, his mystery is on different level. We don't know he is treating him as a son or as a pawn, because he will comes into the between of two prince also. So there's so many things will happen, but there is one thing: he will falls in love with Lin Wan, and also His Majesty ordered to both of them to be married, like Lin Wan and Fan Xian, because after marrying Lin Wan, he have to take over the royal treasury. That was the invent by his mother. So many things going to be happen, and there is season 2 as well. This drama is really amazing. Every single character is so much amazing and good to watch. There is not a single boring moment. You have to watch this drama definitely. So our next drama is Mysterious Lotus Casebook. This drama is also my most favorite wuxia drama, because like we have Chengi in this drama, and it's really amazing, full of mystery. You have to solve so many cases in this drama. Yeah, there is not as such love story and all these things, but still we are going to see the friendship of 3 heroes in martial arts world. So first thing that is start with our Chengi casting as Li Shangyi, who is the master of Sigu sect and who is known for his swordsmanship, who is very famous in martial arts world. And 10 years ago, like he got disappeared in martial art world with the leader of Jinwan Alliance, Di Fisheng. Like they arranged a battle in the East Sea. But 10 years later, Li Lanhua, who is a countryside doctor who travels dragging around a lotus tower, accidentally became famous in martial arts world again. And he don't want to get any connection in martial arts, because our Li Lanhua is none other than Li Shangyi. But there is one person, that is Feng Dobing, who wants to become a hero, who think like Li Lanhua is impersonating, and like he is something else. Like he became close to him because he wants to find his identity. And our Di Fisheng, who also came back in martial arts world, three of them get close to each other, and they will find so many mystery. The end of this drama is really amazing, like everything. This drama is also must watch. Our next drama is Word of Honor. This drama is also amazing and super worthy to watch. It's just like the Untamed. We are going to see the friendship of two heroes in martial arts world, like, or you can say they both belong to some different organization. First is Jishu, who belongs to a assassin organization, Window of Heaven, and he is the leader. But all of the person who came with him in that organization got killed. He is the only one person left. So he performs some departure technique that leaving him with the 3 years left to live. Now he disguised his face, and he is wandering in a martial art words like as a drunkard person. And 3 months later, he will meet with 1K King, who is the master of Ghost Valley, but no one knows about his real face, his identity in martial arts worlds. So they will become friends. They will find some mystery, and like they want to protect one boy. So there are some mystery about some glazed armor and like a powerful armory. So they both will work together to find the solution of all these things and find the whole of the mystery. Our next drama is Lost You Forever season 1, because season 2 is going to come in this year maybe. There are 3 kingdoms: Xi'an, Chenrong and Howling. Xi'an and Chenrong got into fight. Xi'an got wins, but so many people from the royal family, generals got died in that war. And there are 2 children, that is Shao and Changshuan, who got left alone. Shao was sent to Jade Mountain, and they both got separated. But Shao, like no one came to Jade Mountain to get her back. So after 300 years, she changed her gender, her appearance, and now running a small clinic under the name of Wan Shaolu. And there will be like the Shangshuan also came to that town, and they will entangled with each other. There is one person, our Tan Janchi, who belongs to Chenrong, who is the enemy, but they also got entangled with each other. Like so many things going to be happen when they will entangled with each other. Their identity will reveal. Our Shangchuan wants to become the king of Xi'an as well. So there are so many plottings, politicals we are going to see. At the end, he will become the king, but there are some mystery, some things that were left we are going to see in season 2. This drama is also super worth it to watch. So our next drama is Handsome Siblings. This drama is also good to watch because we have Hu Tian and Chen Juan in this drama, and yeah, it's all about martial arts, well, but it's about the story of two twin brothers. Like, they were separated from the childhood and they were raised from the different person. One is Shaor, that is our Chen Juan, who was raised by 10 great villains, and they wanted to make him the top villain in martial arts. Second, Hao Che, Hu Tian is casting as Hao Che, who was raised by one princess, and she loved his father. So his father loved someone else. So she wanted to take revenge. That's why she raised him as a person whose mission is just to kill Shar, like his twin brother. So we are going to see when they both of them came out in martial arts world, they will entangled with each other, about their love story, about their friendship, brotherhood, like so many things we are going to see. So our next drama is Legend of Yunqi. This drama is also great. We are going to see the love story of Han Yunqi and Long Fei. Like, the storyline and the end of this drama is really amazing. You are gonna cry as well. Like, the king arranged a marriage for Long Fei, like to marry an ugly woman, that is Han Yunqi. But she is not an ugly woman. She is very talented woman who is expert with poison. So after some time, she gets to show off her skills and she will entangle with Long Fei. They will fall in love with each other. But again, she will entangled with the Bu Chichao, who belongs to different kingdoms. So there are so many things, so many mystery we are going to see. But the storyline, their chemistry, the characters, like everything is so much amazing. This drama is also must watch. Next drama is Legend of Fei. So we have Wang Yubo in this drama, and it will tell you the love story of Zhao Fei and Xie Yun. Both were like in martial arts and they became friends. They honed their few fighting skills together, and like they became a pair, and they begins an adventure. But our Shane's identity is something different. So both of them will reveal some truth and find some mystery. Like, we are going to see all about their love story. So our next drama is going to be Sword Snow Stride, and we have Jung Ryan in this drama. So it's really amazing, and it's similar to Mysterious Lotus Casebook as well, because everything is revolves around one person, that is Shu Fengnian. Like, everything is depend on him, and he is the son of a king of China's northern realm, that is Shu Shao, and who, like, everyone feared from him, from his military. And there is one realm, that is southern realm. So many things you are going to see about his mind and all these things, because Shu Fengnian is going to become the king, and like he have to manage everything, and he have to manage people around him as well. So many things we are going to see. This drama is also amazing, and if you guys love to watch my videos, don't forget to click on like button, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click on subscribe button as well, because I always talks about Korean, Chinese and Thai dramas. So give some love to my videos so I can get motivation to make more videos, and I will provide you loads of recommendation. So thank you so much for watching my video till now. I know this video became so much long, but you have to watch this video till the end to know about all the things. And thank you so much for watching my video till now. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.